How to sign in Snapchat on two devices. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to sign in and log in Snapchat on two devices. So you cannot use Snapchat on two devices at the same time with the same account, but you can go ahead and log out the account from one device and then log back in from another device and use it simultaneously. So the Snapchat rule is one device per account at a time. So when you log in on a second device, Snapchat automatically logs you out from the first one. So the workaround is to use two separate accounts. So on each device, you can switch between them by logging out and logging in. And you can access your messages from another account device via Snapchat which is limited. So you need to go ahead, open any web browser on your phone. Go to accounts.snapchat.com. Go ahead and log in with your account, phone number or email, and password or code. You can only chat with the people. You cannot view their stories, snaps, or camera features. So there is no official way to stay logged in onto devices at the same time. And trying third-party tools or modified apps can lead to account suspension, or ban. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.